Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HONOR X7A, and let me share with you how to check the total screen time on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and then let's scroll down to find digital well-being and parental controls. As you can see, we've been immediately transferred to this graph, which will show us for how long we've been using this device today. You can see that I've been using it for over 1 hour, and most of the time I've spent on the Chrome. If you want to, you can check some further details just up inside the graph, and as you can see, you will be transferred to the dashboard, which will see the total screen time in particular days of the week. And other way to check the details is to tap directly on the app, which simply means that again you've got the graph, but this time it is tightly connected with one app. So basically this is it. Here we've got also the ways to disconnect, so just a quick disclaimer. I highly recommend to use them if you need the time for yourself, you need to rest, you just don't want to be disturbed, because here you can set some kind of schedules in which your device will simply limit the notifications, for example, from distracting apps, so you will be able to rest. So alright, basically that's all. This is how to check the total screen time in your HONOR X7A. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.